Welcome back to the Full Leaf Tea Company channel. Today, we're showing you how to craft the perfect hot matcha latte right at home. Whether you're new to matcha or a longtime fan, this simple method will help you make a creamy, frothy, and delicious latte every time. At Full Leaf Tea Company, we offer a variety of matcha options, but today, we're using our organic sweet matcha for an extra smooth, slightly sweet flavor. Feel free to choose your favorite matcha to match your taste. First, heat 8 ounces of milk of your choice. Then, froth your milk for about 30 seconds to create a light, airy texture. Next, add 2 teaspoons of matcha powder to a bowl. Add 2 ounces of near boiling water to the bowl. This helps preserve matcha's natural sweetness and prevents bitterness. Now, whisk the matcha in a zigzag motion for about 30 seconds until you get a smooth, frothy layer on top. Carefully pour your whisked matcha into your cup. Then, slowly add your frothed milk in circular motions to blend everything together perfectly. If you like your latte a little sweeter, feel free to add honey, agave, or cane sugar to taste. And there you have it, the perfect hot matcha latte. Smooth, frothy, and packed with antioxidants and natural energy. Let us know in the comments which matcha you're using and how you like to customize your latte. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tea tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for another tea moment.